Alright guys, so here's what's left of a Infiniti QX4. This one's a 2001 to be specific. Some of the things that I'm after, it's going to be the tail light guards here. And of course, our beloved headlights. This brush bar is going to be in my way. I did bring my 1/2-inch impact to get that off. I'm going to talk to you guys about how you can make money in a junkyard while you're looking for parts for your R50. So let's dig in. All right. So now that that's out of the way, we can go ahead and focus on these headlights. Man, what a workout. So while we were here, we went ahead and grabbed the windshield washer reservoir off of this QX4. It's another R50 down here with a SE luggage rack. We're going to take a look at that one next. So here's a 2002 R50 Pathfinder with the SE luggage rack. This one's still in really good shape. But what we're after is the driver's side front end cap. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. Alright guys, so we were able to get it. Here it is. What's important is that these plastic tabs here don't break. These are the ones that are notorious for breaking. I mean, if you even look at this thing wrong, they'll snap. And I was able to get it off. I was debating on taking all four, but to be quite honest, I don't have the patience. Plus, what am I gonna do with 3 odd ones, right? This one over here still has 3 out of its 4. The driver's side one, it's broken. That's usually how you find them. It's very rare to find a luggage rack with these things intact and undamaged. All right, so first up, we have a set of 2001 to 2004 Infiniti QX4 headlamp assemblies. I usually sell these on eBay for about $350 to $450 for the entire set. Next up, we have a 1996 to 2004 R50 Pathfinder windshield washer reservoir with the pumps and filler neck included. I usually sell these on eBay anywhere from as little as $100 up to about $130. For the 1997 to 2004 Infiniti QX4s, I typically sell those reservoirs for about $160 because of the low washer fluid sensor. ECUs, I usually sell these for about $100 to $150 on eBay. 2001 to 2004 Nissan R50 Pathfinder and Infiniti QX4 center stack trim bezel, including clock and AC vents. I usually sell the entire set for $150 on eBay. The SE luggage rack end caps, I usually sell the full set for about $150 on eBay, but I have seen them sell for as much as $300. I know, it's nuts, but they're hard to come by. 97 through 99 Infiniti QX4 headlamp assemblies. I usually sell these for about $200 for the full set on eBay. 1997 to 2004 Infiniti QX4 headrests. I usually sell a pair of these on eBay for about $50 or $100 for the full set. The R50 Pathfinder or Infiniti QX4 bottle jack, I usually sell these for about $50 on eBay. This mirror was from a 2003 Nissan 350Z. I'll sell these for about $80 because of the features. 2001 to 2004 Infiniti QX4 shifter trim bezel and cup holder. I usually sell these for about $50. 2001 to 2004 Infiniti QX4 HID headlight ballast. I sell these for about $75. 2001 to 2004 Nissan R50 Pathfinder and the Infiniti QX4 center console, armrest, and storage compartment. I usually sell these for about $60. 1996 to 2004 Nissan R50 Pathfinder and Infiniti QX4 overhead storage compartment, dome light, and sunroof control panel. I usually sell these for about $45 on eBay. Here we have a set of Infiniti QX4 wheel center caps. I sell these for about $100 on eBay. Here we have a set of wheel center caps for a Nissan R50 Pathfinder 96 through 99. I usually sell these for about $75 on eBay. R50 Pathfinder luggage rack roof rails. I usually sell these for about $75 on eBay. Here's a Toyota RAV4 shifter boot. I sell these for about 60 bucks on eBay. D21 and WD21 4x4 shifter boots. I usually sell these for about 150 on eBay. 1996 to 2004 Nissan R50 Pathfinder and Infiniti QX4 tail lamp guard assemblies. I usually sell these for about 50 bucks on eBay. Check out this 1996 to 2004 R50 Pathfinder and Infiniti QX4 trunk privacy cover in gray. This one is very hard to find. I typically sell trunk privacy covers for between 150 to 200 depending on the color on eBay. Here we have a set of worn manual locking hubs. These will fit R50 Pathfinders, WD21s and D21s 1990 and up, and also the WD22 and D22. I usually sell these for about $250 on eBay. And just in case you didn't take notice earlier in the video, I also sell more than just R50 parts. Here we have a set of floor mats from a Acura RSX. These typically sell on eBay for about $150 to upwards of $350 on eBay. Here we have a set of floor mats from a CB7, CB9 Honda Accord. I know they don't look like much, but I sold these for 150 bucks on eBay. Oh, and I almost forgot. They're super rare. Here we have some Honda wheel center caps. I typically sell these for about 68 bucks on eBay. Here we have a few different examples of Ford Mustang wheel center caps. I typically sell these for about 68 bucks on eBay, sometimes as much as $80. Here's a trunk floor mat from a SER Nissan Altima. I sold this one for about $115. They are somewhat rare. So here's what's left of a 2010 Infiniti QX56, guys. Yes, the big boy. Something you never ever see left behind. These are usually gone day one. Yes, and that's the headlamps. This one looks like someone's opened it before. It's not sealed. You guys see that? So that's probably why they haven't been snatched. This one looks like it's been fooled around with too. But it looks relatively good. But yeah, these things, they fetch about $300 to $400 a piece, guys. Now the good thing is, two of the items that I'm buying today are already pretty much sold. These are tail light guards. Then I have this SE luggage rack plastic end cap. This will be going to a viewer. Yeah, like I said in previous videos, guys, times are changing here at the junkyard. So I got the two Infiniti QX4 headlamp assemblies with the warranty for each. The windshield washer reservoir with the warranty for it and of two pumps, along with that plastic end cap and the two tail lamp guards. And it cost me 116 bucks, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Man, I know I'm gonna make bank on these headlamps once they sell. And of course the same for the windshield washer reservoir. Just selling the reservoir alone will pay for everything that I bought today and still put money back in my pocket. Scared money don't make no money. So in short, guys, I just wanted to make this video to give you guys a few examples of how you can make money to fund your R50 build while you're at the local junkyard pulling parts for your rig. This is something that I figured out a couple of years back when I first acquired my R50. This is a great way to fund your project without tapping into your house money. It's a great way to keep your wife happy as well, since you won't be tapping into your paycheck to fund your bill. So how do I figure out what parts to sell? Well, that's easy. Do your research. eBay has a wonderful tool that allows you to see what parts are selling, when they were sold last, and more importantly, how much they sold for. I've inspired quite a few people to start going to the junkyard, and at least one subscriber who started selling parts on eBay as well. So we're going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement. And thanks for stopping by the Camper Dan File.